Selamat siang. Besok 3 poin.
Yes, besok juga tuh.
Difficult game, but we will play for win. Not important. For me, all games same. So tomorrow is another game that we play for win. Professional until the last minute. So what we're gonna do tomorrow is exactly the same of other games. We go play for win. All the games, I don't like to lose even playing cards. So tomorrow is the same. After the game we go down. I told to my players that we have two matches to play and 2 matches to win. So I hope they understand that nothing have to change. Professional players, professional coach, whatever is the position or the situation of the team, have to play every time for a win and give the best any game, even friendly match after relegation or ever, after be champion, for the fair soccer, for the soccer be good, for the league be competitive, have to be like this. Have good teams. If you see between the second or third position until the end position, the points are very near, so it means that the competition is competitive. So I'm happy to work in this league. I'm very happy to get this team. I only cannot be happy because we know arrive our target, but I think it's a good league, and but always for be better. I hope the league improve even more in the future. Not happy for sure, same like me. But we have to think now. We have to go 2 more games to do our best, like I say, and play for win. So we already know our future is not stay in the league, but we have to play and respect the team and the fans. So we have to. Our mentalities have to be for play and give our best in the last 2 games.
Tentunya sama yang dibilang pelatih, 3 poin. Karena sisa 2 pertandingan ya kita harus maksimal supaya mengakhiri ini dengan senang, tentunya dengan kemenangan. Dan terpukul ya pasti terpukul, tapi disitulah harus titik balik kita untuk bangkit. Gimana caranya ya kita harus menang 2 pertandingan ini ya supaya tim ini ya lebih baik.
For us it's important game, sure, because we are second and we need 3 points because we will continue and finish and try to finish second position. That is very important for us. I know that for Semen is also an important game because it's maybe the last game here. Then so I know it's very important, but for us it's so important 3 points.
Saya pribadi dan teman-teman yang pasti sangat siap untuk pertandingan besok dengan tujuan kami ingin mencuri 3 poin. Terima kasih.